this is JMS Wheels with the Cassandra spinning wheel. This video is to cover care and maintenance of the spinning wheel. Because of the way this wheel is designed, it needs very minimal care and maintenance. The most oil this is ever going to need is a couple of drops of 3-in-1 at the footman to help prevent squeaking. You will notice it does tend to run down a little bit. The entire wheel is treated with an oil finish, so really the only maintenance needed for this wheel is just to oil it regularly, once every 3 to 6 months, depending on how dry your house is or how dry it's been in the air. If I can get this up. I had to get the strong hands involved. A few drops of that. I prefer to start the base and work my way up, so I have something to grab onto without getting too oily when I take care of the flywheel. Simply wipe down the surfaces. If you really want to do a deep oiling on it, simply pull it apart and oil the parts individually. The shaft and metal parts do not need oil, except at the footman connection to the flywheel. If you need to oil where the bobbin is, if it's making excessive noise, if it's squeaking frequently, a drop at the front and the back of the bobbin should alleviate that. Because this is an all hardwood wheel, I'm just going to do a couple patches for demonstration. It does need conditioning, and just oiling it is sufficient. You really want to treat this wheel like it's a fine piece of furniture. You can get away with a little bit of furniture polish occasionally, just to take the dust off, but you cannot use a wax-based furniture polish with it. Because the wax prevents the oil from getting into the wood, eventually it's going to dry out and have that dull, waxy patina on it. And it will eventually cause cracks in the wood that inevitably reduce the wheel to nothing useful. But the